welcome back to my channel. My name is Somi and I'm here with another interesting video. And I'm sure you're loving this look right here. I'm going to be teaching you guys how to do this look, how to create this eyeshadow look for Valentine. And if in case you've not checked my previous video on Valentine look, please do so because the link will be in the description box below. So don't go anywhere, keep watching this interesting video.
So for the eyeshadow, I'm going to apply this dark orange as the first base, and I'm going to extend it to my brows as well. So after that, I'm going to apply or trace out my crease with a dark blue eyeshadow. I'm going to trace it out, and then I'm going to put a black eyeshadow on top of the blue to enhance the color of the blue and to make it really dark. So after that, I'm going to blend it out to make sure there's no harsh lines, and I'm going to also blend it underneath, like I'm going to blend it under my eyes. So after that, I'm going to create a cut crease with my concealer, and I'm going to make sure it's very neat, and you should also do that the same as well. So make sure it's very neat. So after that, I'm going to apply a loose powder on it, and then apply a light pink on the mobile lid. So after doing that, I'm going to go ahead to apply a shiny pink on the top part of the cut crease. So then I'm going to blend them together to make sure that the harsh lines are not there. So the next thing I'm going to do is to create something like a wing using the dark blue eyeshadow and a black eyeshadow. So it's going to be in a diagonal shape or design. So I'm going to extend it to the inner corner of my eyes. So after that, I'm going to blend it really well, and then I'm going to use this color as a transition shade between the dark blue to the light pink. So after that, I added a pink glitter on the top part of my cut crease, to beautify the eye makeover or eye makeup. So yes, this part is going to be very brief, it's going to be very short, but I'll be showing you guys the process of the makeup transformation. So keep watching this video because it's going to be very interesting, or it's very interesting. So while you're doing that, don't forget to click that red subscription button in case you've forgotten, and do well to share this video with your family and friends, and like this video as well. Comment also on how you think this makeup looks like, and also what you think or what you are expecting from this channel in regards to makeover or makeup transformations. So keep watching this interesting video. So this is how I look after the whole makeover and makeup transformation, and I look really beautiful. I know you can testify to that. I was actually very shocked, like when I saw myself in the mirror. I was like, wow, this is so beautiful. And so you guys can actually look this beautiful if you follow this tutorial that I've given to you guys. And also, I want you guys to watch my previous video on Valentine look and tell me which one you actually prefer, or which one you're going to try out this Valentine, this one or that one. Please leave it down in the comment section below. Bye for now. See you in my next video.